200 and this one is 300. That's low, it's high. This thing is fantastic, but it's huge, like, and it's hard to control because it's so big, whereas this is like a giant pen. This is basically smaller than the barrel of this. Work with glue, Mod Podge, anything like that. Even gold leaf, of course. I use this all the time. It has a regular plug. Ooh, dazzling. It has this little stand, because guys, when that thing is hot, you do not want it touching anything. It's guard. People ask me this all the time. Do not take this off. This is to protect you from that in there. When that's on, that thing, that'll melt your face. So do not touch that. If you have animals or people with tiny fingers, we'll protect them if they're like, ooh, what's that? No. When you're working on resin, I spray the top with rubbing alcohol and then I'll go over it with this and it makes it last. I'm gonna do a video showing that later. I use this several times a week. It comes in pink or blue, so go check out whichever one you like. But guys, this is one of those purchases that you're just like, how did I ever live without you? I know that you will feel the same way about this. I hope you guys found that helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.